कमला कामुकः पुमान् अभङ्गुर विभूतिर्नस्तरङ्गयतमङ्गलम् श्रीलक्ष्मी वल्लभारम्भां विखनो मुनिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। हरिः ओम्। शारदनिरतेन्दुघनसारपटीरमराळमल्लिकाहार तुषारफेनरजटाचलकाशफणीच कुन्दमन्दार सुधापयोदिसिततामरसामरवाहिनी सुधा कारतनुप्पु निन्नु मदिगानकनेन्नडु कल्गु भारती क्षोणितलंबु निन्नु दुर्सोकगमृक्किनु तिन्तु सैकतश्रोणिकी चिंचरीक जय सुंदर वेणिकिन् अक्षितामरश्रोणिकी तोयजात भवचित्तवसीकरणैकवाणिकिन् वाणिकी अक्षदामसुकवारिज पुस्तकरम्यपाणिकिन्। हरिः ओम्। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। तदेव लग्नं सुदिनं तदेव ताराबलं चन्द्रबलं तदेव विद्याबलं दैवबलं तदेव लक्ष्मीपतेस्ते गिरियुगं स्मरामि। यत्र योगेश्वर कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयोर्भूतिर्ध्रुवानि तिर्मतिर्मम स्मृते सकलकल्याणभाजनं यत्र जायते पुरुषस्तमजं नित्यं प्रजामि शरणं हरिं। श्रीलक्ष्मीनारायणाभ्या नमः। उमामहेश्वराभ्या नमः। वाणी हिरण्यगर्भाभ्या नमः। शची पुरंदराभ्या नमः। अरुन्धती वसिष्ठाभ्या नमः। श्री सीतारामाभ्या नमः। सर्वेभ्यो महाभागवतेभ्यो नमः। अयं मुहूर्तः सुमुहूर्तो अस्तु। मुहूर्तकाले सूर्यादीनां नवानां ग्रहाणाम् आनुकूल्यता फलसिद्धिरस्तु। हरिः ओम्। Everybody take yellow rice and put in front of the Ganesha. Take yellow rice and put in front of the Harmonic Ganesha.
Teju.
अवक्रावन्त भूतान् विशाचा प्रेरगक्षिताः ये च त्रिपुरं चेते देवता भृगसन्ततम् अपसर्पन्त ये भूता भूतक्षिताः ये भूता विघ्नकर्तारास्ते यज्ञं स्वामिनः हरेः आगमार्थन्त देवानां गमनार्थन्तरण्यसां तस्मात् सर्वप्रयत्नेन घण्टां सम्यक् ॐ जनः ॐ तपः ओम सत्यम ओम तत्सवितर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ओमापोज्योतिरसोऽमृतं ब्रह्मा भूर्भुवः सुवरो। Take your rice in your right hand. Take your rice in your right hand. श्री गोविंद 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 श्री महाविष्णुराज्ञया प्रवर्तमानस्य अद्य ब्रह्मणः द्वितीयपरार्थे श्वेतपराः करिष्ये तदङ्ग निर्विघ्नेन परि सम अवाप्यर्थं सकलकार्य सिद्धिप्रदाता सकल विद्या अधिदेवता महागणाधिपति पूजा अद्य करिष्ये। विश्वक्सेनं सकल विबुध प्रौढमगुदं पीतवस्त्रं शुभांगं ध्याये देवं विजिततनुजं सूत्रवत्या समेतं विश्वक्सेनमशेष निर्जनमः सेनाधिराधं चतुर्बाहुं शङ्खसुदर्शनैकदलितं सिक्किं च दण्डं करैः श्यामं रत्नकिरीटकुण्डलधरं पीताम्बरालङ्कृतं वन्दे सूत्रवती जया सहचरं वैवस्यदाशामुखम्। ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तवं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पद आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिश्चेदसादनम्। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। आवाहयामि स्थापयामि पूजयामि। विद्यारूपायै नमः। ओम विशालाक्ष्यै नमः। ओम ब्रह्मजायायै नमः। ओम महाबलायै नमः। ओम त्रयीमूर्त्यै नमः। ओम त्रिकालज्ञायै नमः। ओम त्रिगुणायै नमः। ओम शास्त्ररूपिण्यै नमः। ओम शुंभासुर प्रमथिन्यै नमः। ओम शुभदायै नमः। ओम सर्वात्मिकायै नमः। ओम रक्तबीज निहन्त्र्यै नमः। ओम चामुण्डायै नमः। ओम वीणापाणिन्यै नमः। ओम अंबिकायै नमः। ओम चण्डकाय प्रहरणायै नमः। ओम धूम्रलोचन मर्दनायै नमः। नमः। ओम कालरात्र्यै नमः। ओम कलाधारायै नमः। ओम रूपसौभाग्य दायिन्यै नमः। ओम वाग्देव्यै नमः। ओम वरारोहायै नमः। नमः। ओम कान्तायै नमः। ओम कामप्रदायै सूर्यस्य रश्मिभिः धूपमाघ्रापयामि दीपं दर्शयामि। You want to tell the significance of Goddess Saraswati? Should everybody know? Which time you want to tell? Anyway. She sits on the lotus. Yeah.
She goes around with the swan.
Good.
Why only swan?
Which color swan?
White, the white.
Okay.
Yes.
She holds books.
Huh? She holds books. Okay. So
She holds a
everybody,
chain.
is everybody able to see the Goddess Saraswati idol over here?
Yes.
Yes. How many hands she has?
Four.
Four. What all the things she is carrying?
A veena, chain, a chain, and Yapamala.
Books. Books.
What is that real?
Yeah, here. And bottom hand. Goddess Saraswati has four hands. In one hand she is carrying a japamala, pearl garland. The pearl garland signifies the siddhis, all the boons. All the siddhis, boons. And with two hands she is playing an instrument called veena. And in other fourth hand she is carrying a books. That means she is a goddess of education, she is a goddess of knowledge, she is a goddess of musical instruments, she is a goddess of all the siddhis, varas. In four hand she is carrying pearl garland equal to all the siddhis, boons. And she is carrying books. That means she is also a goddess of education, knowledge, and with another two hands she is playing a musical instrument called Veena. So she is also goddess for all the music. Goddess of health, wealth, knowledge, and good education. She is sitting on a white lotus. And what is her vehicle name?
Swan.
Swan. What is the good significance about the swan?
It only drinks water.
Milk. It can separate the milk and water.
If you mix milk and water and put in front of the swan, it will drink only the milk, the water will remain in the container. Can you read the first sloka? Saraswati Namastutyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Saraswati Namastutyam. I am praying to Goddess Saraswati. Varade Kamarupini. Just now we told she is carrying a pearl garland. Pearl garland is equal to all the siddhis, varadas. Varade Kamarupini. Kama means all our wishes. She grants all our wishes. Vidyarambham Karishyami. I am going to start my studies. Vidya means education. Arambham means start. Vidyarambham. I am going to start my Karishyami. Please give me all the education, all the knowledge. Siddhir bhavatu me sada. All the times please provide me my wishes, good knowledge and good education. Second sloka. Ya kunde shubhra vastranvita ya veena varadanda manditakara ya sweta padmasana ya brahmakyuta shankara prabhutivir devai sada पूजिता सामां पादु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेष जाड्यापहा. Anybody know what is Kunda? Kunda is a type of flower. We have lot of types of flowers. Kunda is also another name of flower. Kunda is the name of flower. Tushara means
Water drops.
water drops. Yakundendu Tushara Hara Dhavala. Goddess Saraswati wearing a garland which is shining as a kunda, which is looking like a kunda flower garland. It is like a snowflakes. The Tushara means snowflakes. The garland Saraswati is wearing of kunda flowers and it is looking like a snowflakes garland. Ya Subhra Vastranvita. Shubhra means pure, new one. Ya Subhra Vastranvita. Vastra means cloth. She is wearing a nice, clean and very pure cloth. Ya Veena Varadanda Manditakara. She is playing a Veena with two hands. Ya Sveta Padmasana. Sveta means white. Padmasana. Padma means lotus. She is sitting on a white lotus. Ya Brahmatyuta Shankara Prabhutibir. She is also worshipped by Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara, because everybody need knowledge, everybody need education, everybody need all the siddhis, everybody need control of all the health, wealth and good education. That's why Brahma, Shiva and Maheshwara also worshipping the goddess Saraswati. Devai Sada Pujita. Not only Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, all the gods and goddesses are worshipping the goddess Saraswati. Samam Padu Saraswati. Bhagavati Nissesha Jatyapaha. Please provide me all my wishes and grant me good education, health and wealth all the time, not only one time. Whenever I pray to Goddess Saraswati, please provide me good knowledge, education, health and wealth. Can you read these two slokas together? Saraswati namastutyam
विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना ब्रह्माच्युतचिन्तन सदा पूजनीया